welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. So we are going to do one of my favorite boxes. This is the Causebox. I've been getting this box for a while. If you guys don't know about this box, I'll put the information down below. I do purchase this out of my own money. This is the Causebox, which is a quarterly lifestyle subscription box that tries to focus on like ethical and sustainable processes and give back to the communities. They tend to support a lot of like women-owned businesses, small artisanal type stuff. So really enjoy this box. Probably at the end of this video, I'll link a compilation of a bunch of these videos if you guys want to look through, but I generally find this is one of my more favorite boxes. So let's get into this box. Always hire an artist, or they have like an artist program with this box where they have the person design a postcard in the box and then the exterior of the box. So this box has a very like 70s motif to it. All the outfits and everything definitely has like the fall type outfits. So it's kind of a fun box. It's definitely inclusive if you look at the different figures on here, which is great. So let's dive in. So this is what the interior of the box is. Now I always peek at my boxes if you guys don't know that, but look at how cute that is. I usually keep these boxes around and put things in them, or, you know, wrap them up at Christmas time as a nice box. And then they always have a little handout here that goes more into depth about what makes this specific product sustainable. If I can see it pretty quickly as we're going through this box, I will let you know kind of what is sustainable, what is not. Now, just FYI, when you order this box, you can either pay for it quarterly or you can pay for it on a year membership. I pay for it for a year membership, which does give you a discounted price. But the quarterly, I believe the box is just shy of $50. And you don't get to choose as much stuff for it. So there's a perk if you can afford it to pay for a full year, because you get to choose, I believe it's 3 or 4, look like 4 items. Now when I opened this box, I forgot what I chose, so it was a little bit of a surprise, but that's a good thing. And so let's just dive into it. So the first thing here is a little postcard. They always say there's a value with this postcard. I just don't count as much value in the postcard. I think it's cute. If it's usually something I'll give to my daughter and then she'll play with. Occasionally they give a little handout on what the artist is, and I'm gonna try to just scroll through here and see if she's in here. Okay, so the artist is Cynthia Kittler is her name. So she is the one that drew this. She is based in Frankfurt, Germany, and she's a professional illustrator. So they usually help launch these people's careers, which is awesome. All right, let's dive into the box. We do have get a free microderm PMD if you refer a friend. So if you guys want to sign up for this, I do have my referral link down below. Again, I'm not sponsored, but a lot of times they'll give you guys a discount code or a free gift, and then they give me either money or a free gift. Last time I got a couple people signed up, I bought stuff on the add-ons, which I haven't gotten yet. So for those of you waiting for their market products, I am in the same boat. My market products haven't been shipped yet, and I know that's been a big complaint this season. I didn't get anything I was really like had to have right now. I know that they ship really late. They're kind of one of the worst on shipping for their market items, and I've had them just randomly cancel my market items and not tell me until I see it refunded. So just things like that to be aware of. But they are running this deal if anybody is interested. And then they also have, it says if you refer 3 friends, you can get a Murano tote. So, hey, there you go. All right, showing you guys a bit more on this box. They have a little sticker here. I always try to save the sticker. I always end up screwing it up. But let's dive into what we have here and go from here. So the first item you could choose was between the Bath and Waffle bathrobe in mint or charcoal, or the bath towel set in mint or charcoal. I believe I picked the towel set mainly because I have a lot of bathrobes and I did not feel like I needed yet another bathrobe, and I have 4 bathrooms and I don't have enough towels for all of them. So I thought this towel set would be nice upstairs in our guest bathroom that we don't use that often because we don't have a good towel set for that. Now granted, there's not that many towels in here. It looks like there's 2 big towels like this, which are literally just a waffle weave. These are pretty thin. Cotton, I believe, is the material. But there's 2 of them right here, and then you've got 2 hand towels. This will actually go really nicely in my bathroom up there, so I enjoy that kind of stuff. Now, I have been seeing people reviewing this saying that they shrink up, and I think the company sent an email about this, that you need to let them air dry, which is kind of irritating if you think about it. But they shrink up. Anything with waffle weave in general will shrink up. So yeah, just take that in mind. It says that the towels and the bathrobe are both valued at $90. And let's see what they say about the thing. It says it's hand woven by a team in Panty, India. It's 100% cotton. That's probably why it shrinks up the way it's weaved as well. And then it follows the fair trade sourcing principle. So this company's big on fair trade. And so they said for caring for your bathrobe, material can sometimes appear to shrink. This is what I was saying earlier. When you tumble dry on high, follow the instructions on the tag to keep it. So anyway, that is the first item. Second item was either a tease tea type jug thing and or a artisan lamp. I got the artisan lamp because I feel like I have enough tea jugs around. So the artisan lamp was valued at $40, and the tease tea, which looks really cute by the way, is valued at $39.99. Let's see if I can get into this. Now, this lantern is supposed to have you're supposed to put a tea candle in it, and it's cute. It reminds me of like something you'd see at Pier 1. It's got little fuzzies on mine. But that's what it looks like. Yeah, it's cute. It's nothing spectacular, but definitely for a fun like little decorative item. Like if you want to go outside, put a little tea candle, then it's going to shine little lights on there. Very whimsical. This may not be some people's style. It's definitely a lot more gold appearing than I thought it was going to be. And then it looks like you can pop the little tea candle thing out underneath. So let's say you wanted to hang this up high, you could hang it up and then you can remove the candle there. So that's kind of cool. It does have a little instruction here. When using candles, keep it wax free of matches. It talks about wick trimming, and basically don't let your pets or that have it. But it's cute. I will find something to do with this. I don't know what. Maybe I'll hang it outside. Maybe I'll put it as a decorative element in here. This room needs a little help. I got to redecorate it a little bit more. But anyway, that is that item. Let me see what they say. I feel like for Christmas time, that's going to be really pretty. They were talking about how India went on lockdown. And I think that this is made by artisans in India. And the whole idea is that they helped the women there. But that's all I got out of that. I'd have to read it a little bit more. All right, moving on. Next item is another item I picked. Actually, surprised I picked this, but then when I went back and looked, I not totally shocked I picked this. I picked the Volum Love Scrub 3-in-1 Hyaluronic Acid Red Tea and Seaweed Microderm Exfoliator. That was between this, which is $56, Aroma Therapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel, which I have, which is a good gel, but I don't use it that often. And the Rose Gold Crisscross Cuff, which looked really pretty, but I think I decided I didn't wear bracelets that often, so I really wanted, this looked very interesting, and I've been curious about Volum. It's supposed to be a clean beauty company, although what the definition of clean beauty is a little bit weird. Oh, this is really, really not what I was expecting. It is very like, it's like salty. Look at that. It smells really good, and I'm just pouring it everywhere. Okay, it smells kind of weird. I don't know how I feel about this product. It smells like laundry detergent, like really strong, pungent laundry detergent. So basically, it says you're supposed to wet your face and apply a small amount of the product into the palm of the hand, add a few drops of water, and work into your skin. It does have sodium lauryl sulfate. That is what makes soap sudsy, so just be aware of that. Some people skin dry out from that, so we'll have to see how this works on me. It does have seaweed extract, hyaluronic, and some other good stuff in there, but this is very, very interesting. It is cruelty free. This is not at all like I was expecting, but I will give it a try. So Volum is I said Clean Beauty Company. Let me see if they have anything else on here. So their star ingredients, aluminum oxide crystals, which are supposed to be gently cleaning of your clogged pores, and red tea, which is supposed to help with your damaged skin. I'll have to look into that. And it says, pair it with an evening wind down routine, such as gratitude journals, reading novels. I wish I had more time to do that kind of stuff. I think all of us are probably wish we all had more time to do that. In fact, right now I'm on a string of nights, so my evening winds down with going to work and my mornings wind down with going to bed. So anyway, and then it said, did you know that skin sheds 30,000 cells per minute? That's a 9 pound of skin a year. That's really gross if you think about that. That's like skin flakes all over your house. Ugh. Okay, well anyway, so basically this company's about quality, fairness, and results. And they're 100% cruelty free. That's about all they say on there. It smells funky. I will be honest. I'm a little disappointed in this, but I will give it a try and see what I think. All right, next item is the last one we could pick. So we could pick the Green Company 10 set of reusable facial rounds, which are like little microfiber round facial things that are $10, or the Buzzy Seeds Basil Grow Kit, which is this. Now, I don't have the best luck with grow kits. I've been growing up, I got Sunflower Kit in one of my previous Fabfitfun add-on sales, and it has been a dismal failure. Like, I got them and they grew about this much. The dog ate one of them. The other one is just not growing well. I need to repot them. So I'm not the best with plants, but I'm always like to do these little things. They're fun. I usually have my daughter or my son help me with them just because it's, you know, a fun thing to do. But we'll see. I'm going to give this a try because I would love to be able to grow basil, but I just don't have that much faith in myself. I'm not the best at growing plants. But this is $10. All right, let me see if they have anything more about this company in here. Now, the last two items are ones that they picked for us. The first one is by the brand Serum, and I believe I have this serum. If I do, I will put this in a giveaway because I'm not going to go through all my serum. But this is Marula Blackcurrant and Carrot. It's a vitamin C serum, basically. This company is cruelty-free, synthetic oils, no sodium lauryl sulfate, no alcohols. It's by Way of the Will is the actual brand. I'm almost positive I have this, but like I said, I'm going to look because if I do, I haven't gotten into it, so I can't say how good this is. But I'll definitely put the extra one away for somebody. This is valued at $37.50, and it has vitamins A and C, which are both really good for your skin. All right, final item. I'm actually super excited about this. This was given to everybody. This is the Core Bamboo set here, and I love this kind of stuff, mainly because, well, back pre-pandemic, I used to like to host little get-togethers and parties, but I like kitchen stuff. I don't have a ton of time to cook. Ooh, it looks like mine got scratched a little bit here. My board got a little scratched here, but no big deal. So anyway, this is it's a little bamboo board. Mine unfortunately got nicked somehow. And then it comes with a little spatula. And then it also comes with a little pair of tongs. And these are interesting. I've never had just plain up bamboo tongs like this, but this would be good for salad. Although I don't know how grippy they're going to be. But anyway, this is a bamboo serve plate. So you could do like cheeses on here, or olives, or, you know, crackers or whatever else. I feel like this kind of stuff is, I personally really like and can never get too much of. It's valued at $35. And so let's talk about this. They do give you recipes in this for this month, which is kind of nice. And it says bamboo is one of the more renewable sources of the planet. Yeah, because it grows quickly and easily. So the bamboo used in your Core Bamboo serve set is originally grown and FSC certified, which apparently is a big deal because it's a forest certification system. So I guess it's forest safe. They're not like slashing and burning down forests to make this bamboo. And it is naturally antibacterial, very strong. Yeah, so basically it's good for the environment. So that is the Causebox this month. Was it my absolute favorite Causebox? No, I have definitely had ones I like better, but it's not a bad box. Like, I do really like the bamboo serve set. That was very, very nice. I like the little basil set, even though I probably will kill it. The serum is nice. I already have it, but that's okay. I am a little disappointed by the volume, just because it smells weird, but I'm going to give it a try and see. But yeah. And then the little candle thing is super cute. It's probably the most random thing, but I like it. It's whimsical. It's different. You don't get a lot of these in other boxes, so I appreciate that. And then obviously the towel set. I know some people were unhappy with how those turned out. I'm definitely going to give mine a try, but for a spare bathroom where I don't use things that often, it's nice to have an extra set of towels. And so I am happy with this. This box is definitely worth the price for me. I will use pretty much everything in it. And overall, just very pleased with the products I got. So anyway, that's it, guys.